Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 4 of the series in how to create this part of this pie shape. And you really don't have to do it, but it does make life a little easier. So I've redrawn my circle with an odd number. So when you put it on a 45-degree curve, you have an odd number to get a more even shape because you have an odd number to put in the center. But I started thinking about an easier way you could make that pie shape without using the virtual segment delete key. I've got this locked, so let's unlock it. Unlock all objects. Then we can nudge that out of the way. And so we've got this in the center of the page. We need to get this part of the quarter, the 45-degree angle. And this is a 10-inch circle. So I'm going to make another 10-inch circle. I got my ratio locked, so it's going to be 10 inches on both directions. We're going to put P and put it in the center page, and we're going to nudge it down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 2-point line. I'm going to put it in the center. I'm going to nudge it down. Then I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and get any color. It doesn't really matter. Let's just move this. We don't need it anymore. Let's make sure that our circle is grouped together. It's 141 objects. We can hit delete and we know we have them all. So let's take our pie shape and let's just see if this doesn't work. So we're going to go intersect. Then we're going to move our pie out of the way. There's our 45-degree angle, and it just took it out of there. That's pretty cool. And then you can start your pattern by really starting in the middle and do anything you want. We'll just do one real quick and then start going downhill. And see, we've got an odd number, so it'll work. Now what we can do is move this out of the way just for a second, and we'll lock this so it won't interfere. Now we can actually take this and group it, Control G, and move it over. Now let's take this shape, Control D and make a duplicate, move the rotation in the center, and it should snap to it if you got Snap to Object on. And let's rotate it 45 degrees. And Corel does it every once in a while, so you just need to rotate it 225. And then you have your pattern. So we can do the same thing we did earlier with find and replace if we wanted to change this pattern to blue. There's really no way to make a clone. That's what he wants to do. He wants to make a clone, but there's really no way to rotate, and it gets it into a lot of problems. And I'm still trying to figure that out. Find object, begin new search, fills, uniform fills, next. We'll get this out of the way. Specify color, get our eyedropper, go over to that green, go next, next, finish. Find all. It says group or ungroup. We'll say yes. Find all. And then it found them. And as a matter of fact, it might have found some somewhere else. But now we can make them all blue. So this is pretty cool using the Intersect tool to get your 45 degree. Saves you a lot of time if you watch 1 and 2 video, part 1 and part 2 of deleting these lines. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.